Why leafy greens are the secret weapon against bad breath. Bad breath, or halitosis, is a common issue many people face, but the solution may be simpler than you think. Leafy greens, often overlooked in favor of other foods, are a natural and effective remedy for this problem. Want to eliminate bad breath and feel confident every time you smile? Click the link below in the description to get more details. Here's why leafy greens are the secret weapon against bad breath. 1. Neutralizing odors with chlorophyll. Leafy greens are rich in chlorophyll, which has natural deodorizing properties. Chlorophyll helps neutralize sulfur compounds that cause bad breath, keeping your mouth smelling fresh throughout the day. 2. Promoting saliva production. Saliva is essential for oral health, as it washes away food particles and bacteria. Leafy greens stimulate saliva production, helping to maintain a clean mouth and reduce the buildup of odor-causing bacteria. 3. Vitamins for healthy gums. Greens like spinach, kale, and parsley are packed with essential vitamins, especially vitamin C, which helps maintain healthy gums. Healthy gums reduce the risk of gum disease, a leading cause of bad breath. 4. Balancing pH levels. Leafy greens help maintain an alkaline environment in the mouth, which discourages the growth of harmful bacteria. This alkaline balance reduces the production of bad-smelling sulfur compounds. Parsley, the ultimate breath freshener. Among leafy greens, parsley stands out for its high chlorophyll content and ability to neutralize odors. Chewing fresh parsley can instantly refresh your breath and fight bad breath-causing bacteria. Easy ways to incorporate leafy greens into your diet. 1. Green smoothies. Blend spinach, kale, or parsley into your morning smoothie for a fresh and nutritious start to the day. 2. Salads. Add a mix of arugula, spinach, or kale to your salads for a light, refreshing meal that supports oral health. 3. Herb-infused water. Infuse your water with fresh parsley or mint to keep breath fresh throughout the day. 4. Soups and stews. Toss leafy greens into soups and stews for a flavorful, breath-friendly meal. Incorporating leafy greens into your daily diet can be an easy, natural way to tackle bad breath. Whether in smoothies, salads, or simple snacks, these greens are a powerful, everyday solution for fresher breath. Ready for a cleaner mouth and more confident smile? Want to eliminate bad breath and feel confident every time you smile? Click the link below in the description to get more details. Thanks for watching.